How to create email account. So if you want to create email account or a new Google account, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your Google or your Gmail, anything that you're comfortable with, and then go with the profile which is on the top right and go with the drop down, and here you need to go with add another account. Once you tap on add another account, it will take you to this kind of interface. You need to just enter your password or your fingerprint and it will take you to the sign in page. Now you need to create your account, right? So you just need to simply go with create account, which is here on the left side. Tap on create account and you can go with personal use or for your work or business. So I'll just simply go with the personal use, and here you need to enter your first and last name. Go with next, and after that it will ask you for your basic information. So enter your date of birth. First you need to enter your month, your day, and the year, and after that go with gender and go with next again. And you need to create a username. And once you created a username, then you need to go with next, and you need to create a password. So make sure to create a strong password which contains at least a capital letter, small letter, numbers, symbols, and etc. And after creating your password, it will ask you to add your phone number to your account. You can either skip that part or you can add your phone number. You can go with the country code, enter your phone number, go with next, and after that your account will be created. And once you created your account, you can go with the sign in page again, and then you can enter the email address and go with next and enter your password and log into your account. So that's how you can create email account, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.